In this brief video, you will learn how to use the mandatory textbook cost reporting feature in order to report your course textbook costs or to label your classes as zero textbook cost, ZTC, or low textbook cost, LTC. So let's begin. First, locate the mandatory textbook cost reporting link under the instructional faculty page using your MySierra login. Second, after clicking the link, you will be directed to the mandatory textbook cost reporting page, where you will be asked to select a term from the drop-down menu. Please select the term for the semester you would like to report. Third, select your course CRN from the drop-down menu. Once you do, you'll be taken to a new page that showcases the term, course, CRN, and instructor's name. From here, you will then select your textbook costs from the drop-down menu. Please note, there are several options. A, the section has no textbook assigned to the course. B, section has textbook costs not passed on to students. This would be applicable for a dual enrollment course or sections where Sierra College purchased a complete class set of texts for your students. C, section uses only no-cost open education resources, or OERs, which are open license texts and materials often located on LibreText or through the OERI website, among other databases. D, section uses only no-cost digital materials not meeting OER guidelines. For example, a collection of digital articles collected from our library. E, section uses a mix of OER and cost-bearing resources not passed on to students. An ideal option for courses that combine OER texts with one or more for-cost products. For example, a dual enrollment or similar course that renders your class materials ZTC. F, section has low textbook costs equal to or less than $30. In this case, your course would get marked LTC on the class schedule. G, the section does not meet no-cost or low-cost criteria. In this case, a traditional for-cost textbook greater than $30 is assigned or required for the students. It should be noted that only options A, B, C, D, and E will mark your course's ZTC on the class schedule. Once you make your selection, please click Save. You will see a green check mark in the upper right corner indicating that your selection was saved successfully. From here, you may manage your selection if, for example, you made a mistake or would like to make a change to a course that you've already reported. Or you can click Start Over to move on to a new CRN. Repeat the process until all your course textbook costs have been reported successfully.